how to control your dog out the door.
I ran away from home.
Or this dog really wants to go inside. Let me show you. First things first, have a sit command, and second thing, have a stay command. And take the dog over. Seats. Put her into a bleib. Bleib. Notice I'm going to some pressure on the leash. Open up the door. Good. Loose leash, and she's not going in. Again, little correction, or redirection better said. Seats. Bleib. Absolutely amazing. Now that's under control, stop your dog from running outside. See you in the next video.